All right, I'm back at Home Depot and I'm going to show you the deals they have going on for Memorial Day time. And I'm starting off in the lawn and garden department. In particular, they have a deal on the Ryobi 40-volt blower, which is a 650 CFM blower, and it's rated at 160 miles per hour. It does come with a 4 amp hour battery and charger with this blower. So you're able to save 40 bucks on that. So it's $239. Normal price is $279. You have until the 27th for this deal. And it's a decent deal, especially when it comes with a 4 amp hour battery and charger. And something I want to mention, maybe you might be in the market for a Ryobi 40-volt auger. At this store, they have it on clearance for only 303 bucks. It was $499. This is the auger that I have, and I do highly recommend it. It's been great for digging post holes for fencing, as well as even for plants. So it's actually an excellent deal there on clearance for 303 bucks, and that does include the battery and charger with that as well. And the next Ryobi deal is going to be on the 1+ HP expanded 18-volt 15-inch string trimmer. So you're able to use different attachments on the string trimmer because it is the attachment or expanded version. It is tool only, so the normal retail price is $159. You can pick it up for $129, saving 30 bucks, and that's also good until the 27th. And they brought on a good deal on the Milwaukee M18 hatchet. It is an 8-inch pruning saw. And right now you can actually save 80 bucks on that. So it's only $199. Its normal price is $279, and that is tool only. Again, that's good until May 27th. And they even have a couple of Makita deals. In particular, they have the 18-volt 13-inch string trimmer. It also comes with a 4 amp hour battery and charger. The deal price is $229, which is saving 30 bucks. Its normal price is $259. And they also brought on a deal on the Makita blower, 18-volt one with the 4 amp hour battery and charger with that. And that price is at $229, saving 40 bucks, normally priced at $269. Again, these deals come to an end on May 27th. And this following DeWalt deal I've shown in previous Home Depot videos, but it's still going on, and you have a couple options. You actually have 3 different options to purchase in order to get a free tool. And I showed this at the front of the store where they had the display there. So the options are you can go with the 60-volt, 17-inch attachment capable string trimmer kit. So it does come with a flexible battery and charger. Or you can go with the 2 8 amp hour batteries and fast charger, which are the power stack batteries. Or you can go with a 2 tool combo kit that has a string trimmer and blower and looks like 1 battery and charger. Then you get your option of one of these select tools for free. Now, I think the most expensive tool that you're going to get for free is either the 6 amp hour battery or the one-handed recip saw. And this is one of the options. It's the 20-volt pruning saw, which is the 8-inch one, just like the Milwaukee one is. Except this one has a blade guard at the end, which I think that might be annoying to come across when you're cutting stuff and you have that blade guard to deal with. Here's a picture of what it looks like. So it has this little blade guard right here. It's probably removable, but that's a $189 value there that you would be getting for free if you're purchasing one of those kits. And if you're enjoying this video so far, I really appreciate you do give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more tool deal videos like this. Let's move to the next deal. And for Memorial Day, they brought back a deal on the Milwaukee M18. It's the battery self-propelled rear-wheel drive mower. It's a 21-inch deck size, offers up to a 60-minute run time. This one does include 2 of the 12 amp hour forged batteries, and it says it's ideal for up to 3/4 of an acre. And the deal price, again, is $999, saving 200 bucks on that. And it does come with a dual bay rapid charger with that as well. So this is a similar deal that we've seen in the past within the last month or so during the spring Black Friday sale. So they brought back the deal again this time around. And this one you also have until May 27th. And they do have a deal on the Ryobi. It's the 40-volt battery self-propelled rear-wheel drive mower. It includes 1 6 amp hour battery, offers a runtime of up to 45 minutes. It is a 20-inch deck size, and the sale price is $449, which is saving 30 bucks, and it's normally priced at $479. And another Ryobi option for a mower, they have the 18-volt 20-inch brushless self-propelled mower with a 6 amp hour battery kit, which looks like it has actually 2 6 amp hour batteries. That sale price is $449, saving 30 bucks. It's normally priced at $479. And that's good until May 27th as well. And they even have another Ryobi deal. It's on the 40 volt mower. That's a 21 inch and it's self-propelled rear wheel drive. They also say that's ideal for up to 3/4 of an acre. The normal price on that is $639, but you can pick it up for $589, which is saving $50 on that. And it does come with 2 of the 6 amp hour batteries. So it's a decent deal, good savings, $50 off, and to get those batteries as well. If you're looking for a gas powered string trimmer, they have this one by Echo. It's a 17-inch one. That deal price is $249, saving $30, and it's normally priced at $279. Also good until May 27th. And if you're looking for a gas powered mower, they actually have a couple different options available by the Murray brand. It's a 140cc gas engine, 21-inch deck size. That deal price is $329, which is saving $40, and it's also good until the 27th. Then they have the basic push mower. It's a 20-inch Murray one. It's a 125cc gas engine, and that deal price is $249, saving $50, and that's good until May 27th. And if you're looking for a wood pellet grill, they have this one by Traeger. It's the Pro Series 34 wood pellet, and the normal price is $729 on it, and you're able to pick it up for $499, which is saving $230. That's also good until May 27th. This one does look like a nice large grill, but if the 34 is too big of a wood pellet grill for you, they do have a smaller option available, also by Traeger. It's a 22 Pro Series wood pellet grill. That's priced at $389, which is saving $160. That's good until the 27th. And one more grill deal they have is on the Woodbridge Pro Pellet Grill. That's priced at $999, which is saving $150 on that. Its normal price is $1149. Looks like it has a nice large surface for cooking. It also offers a side tray that does fold out and create an additional workspace to work from. And it looks like a pretty decent grill. Good savings at $150 off. And they have a decent deal on a lanai table set. It's a 7-piece set. Exclusive West Grove 7-piece patio dining set. It includes a 64-inch by 40-inch table on that. The 2 end chairs are swivel chairs, and it has regular stationary chairs for the sides. And the special buy price for this set is only $499. They don't mention what the before price was, but to get a 7-piece set like this for only $500 is a decent deal. And this is something new I haven't seen at the store before. It's the Husky large mobile job site box, and this one is like an army green color versus the black one that they normally have it in. And this is priced at $90. It does say it has a limited lifetime warranty on that, and it's water and dust seal to that. Here are the dimensions: 23 by 36 by 22, and it has a inboard storage tote there on the top part that you could put tools off to the sides of it as well. And it's a nice and deep compartment, and it has a rubber gasket too to help seal it off. So it is a pretty nice box for only $90, which is, this is actually $10 cheaper than the black version of the box, because that's priced at $99. So I thought it was a pretty cool color coming out in the army green color. So if you've seen my previous Home Depot video, I already mentioned this deal before. I'll repeat it again in this one. And I mentioned before how they keep fluctuating the price on it. And that's when you buy this Milwaukee string trimmer, which is attachment capable one with an 8 amp hour battery and the rapid charger, for the price of $349 now, because it was $379, and I've confirmed it keeps going back up to the $379. And this is during the time now they still have the offer of you get a free attachment when you purchase that kit, and you have 3 different options to choose from: of the 10-inch pole saw, the brush cutter, or the 8-inch edger attachment. And they do have the display here next to it with those attachments. And basically the edger attachment is priced at $129, the brush cutter attachment is $169, and the pole saw attachment is $179. So those would be the values you're going to get for free, depending on which attachment you go with. Obviously, it'd be better to go with the pole saw attachment to get the most savings there of $179, which this is what it looks like. And according to this sign, you only have a couple weeks left. You have until May 31st for this deal. So there's a decent savings right there to get a free attachment with that kit. And I'll go ahead and go over the Ryobi ones they've been having already. And that's when you buy the kit with the string trimmer and blower. This is the 18-volt series. Comes with a battery and charger for $299. You do have your options of these free tools available. All of them are priced at $99, so you get for free, with the exception of the 4 amp hour battery. That's a $129 value. So you could opt to get an additional battery with that kit, or go with the other tools as an option to get for free from Ryobi. And this deal is going to be coming to an end on May 31st. So again, you have just a couple weeks left. Now, this Milwaukee deal, I've already covered in a previous video as well. This one is going to be coming to an end on June 21st, so you do have some more time available for it. And that's when you purchase the M18 Red Lithium Forge 12.0 battery, which is 2 batteries and the simultaneous rapid charger. You get one of these tools for free, and those options are a 16-inch string trimmer, that's a $2.99 value, a 24-inch hedge trimmer, the dual battery blower, which is a 600 CFM one, or the 14-inch top-handled chainsaw. Those will be the options you can get for free when purchasing that main kit. And obviously the $349 14-inch chainsaw would be the best value for free if you're in the market for a chainsaw as well. And this was the DeWalt deal that I showed earlier, where you're buying one of those 3 kits and you get your options of those tools or the battery for free. This offer is going to be good until June 21st as well. And it appears like that pruning saw is priced at $179. Then they have the pruners. That's a $129 value you get for free. Or the little power washer, power cleaner, that's priced at $149. And then the Atomic Series one-handed recip saw, that's priced at $199. So that would be the best option you're going to get for free as a free tool. Another option is the hedge trimmers, which is a $169 value. And this is what the box looks like. So many different options to choose from DeWalt, but if you're looking for the best bang for the buck, get that one-handed recip saw, and you can still use that for pruning. Just get a pruning blade for it. And they do have some lower pricing on some yard tools on the M12 lineup. Now they brought down the 12-volt pruning shears down to $149, which is saving $50 on that. They did not change the price on the pruner, so the 6-inch pruning saw, which you'd be better off going with the M18 for the same price right now. And they also lowered the price on the hedge trimmer, which is an 8-inch one for $149. That's saving $50. And they lowered the 2.5 amp hour high output battery to $69, which is saving $10 on that. They also have the 2-gallon handheld sprayer kit, which includes a 2 amp hour battery and charger. And that's priced at $179. It was $200 for that, which I have this sprayer. It works pretty good. I use it for pest control and weed control as well. And if you go to the store, they have flyers up at the front entrance. You could pick up the Memorial Day flyer and you could take a look at everything they are offering on it. And they even have a deal on some Roundup. If Roundup is your thing, you can get a Roundup with a free refill, which is a $16 value there. And then also another thing I did not see here in the store was the brand new Ryobi 40-volt 10-inch brushless pole saw with a 2 amp hour battery and charger, which I have this 40-volt pole saw. I don't know what's new about it besides maybe coming with that battery or not, but that's only $229 for that pole saw there. And it is a multi-page flyer, so they have other items in different departments that you could go for. So maybe check it out at your store if you happen to be making a run to Home Depot. So they even brought some other Makita deals for you Makita guys. And basically they have 3 different options. You can get a free gift with some of these lower pricing, which you're only going to save like $20 on each of them. And that's the 12 amp corded recip saw for $139. It was $159. Then they had the 7.25 inch corded magnesium circular saw for $199. It was $219. And then they have a 2-tool combo kit. That's the brushless hammer drill and impact driver for $399. It was $419. So again, you're only saving $20 on these. But if you make a purchase on any of those items, then you do get a free gift. And that free gift is a scarf. Yep, that's right. You're going to get a $30 value of a free scarf if you make one of those purchases on one of those tools. And all you have to do is just take a picture of your receipt, upload it, scan the QR code, and they'll mail you the free scarf so you can keep your neck warm. All right, so they brought on some new Milwaukee deals, and I'm going to start off with some M12 deals. So you buy a select qualifying M12 kit, you get a free tool as an option. And the kits you have to buy to choose from for $199, you can go with the 1/4 inch hydraulic impact driver kit for $199, or you can get the 3/8 stubby impact wrench, which does include a 5 amp hour battery and charger for $319, or the 2-tool combo kit, which has the hammer drill and impact driver, along with a 4 amp hour and 2 amp hour battery, charger, and a bag for $249. Then you do get these options as a free tool, and those options are the 12-volt soldering iron, the 12-volt job site fan, the compact spot blower, the Rover light that also offers USB charging, the compact inflator, or the 3/8 ratchet, which this ratchet is not the fuel model. This is a regular ratchet and the 3/8, but that's going to be your best bang for the buck to get for free is the 3/8 ratchet because that's a $169 value. And the next best option is going to be the inflator, which is a $139 value there. And this deal, you have until July 19th for it. All right, now I'll cover some M18 Milwaukee deals, and they have a BOGO deal going on. So this first section is when you buy the 2-pack of the 5 amp hour batteries for $249. Then you get your option of one of these tools for free. Now it does not come with a charger, just so you are aware of that. And the options are the Orbit Sander, the oscillating multi-tool, which is going to be the regular multi-tool, not the fuel one. They have the job site radio. Do have more qualifying solutions available according to the picture, which is up to a $199 value there, which according to this sign, the $199 is going to be the job site radio. So it might be decent savings there for $249, get a free tool. And then the other option they have here, you buy one of these kits, which they don't have priced yet. And the kit is going to be the 2 6-amp-hour high output battery and the charger. Then you get one of these options for free. That's going to be the D-handle jigsaw or the blower, which is a 500 CFM one. Then they have more qualifying solutions to get as a free tool. It's up to a $249 value that you get for free, which will be an excellent deal. And the other qualifying solution, if you're looking for the torque wrench as well as the ratchet with 2 batteries, you would buy that. Then you also get your option of one of those tools for free. And this deal is also going to be good until July 19th, which if I looked at the upper sign here, they have the 2 battery 6 amp hour kit for $299, and then they have the 2 tool combo kit for $549. So those are the prices of those tools you have to purchase in order to get one of these free tools in this category here. And they do have a deal on the Milwaukee Fastback. It's the 6-in-1. This is one of my favorite utility knives, as you might already know, because it does have the built-in screwdriver, and which flips over to a slotted screwdriver, as well as acts as a 1/4-inch nut driver. Well, the lower price on this, it's priced at $16 now. It was $22. The normal price it was before the price increase was $20. And of course, yes, we did see a better deal on it when they had the 2-pack of these during the holiday time. It was a 2-pack for $20. And they do have a couple of deals on the M18 nailers, in particular the 30-degree framing nailer. They have that lowered price of $50 off, so it's $399. And the same thing goes with the 21-degree nailer, also saving $50. And they even brought on a deal on the newer 15-degree coil roofing nailer, priced at $379, so that's saving $70 on that one. And then they also have the 18-gauge crown stapler for $299, saving $50, and the 18-gauge brad nailer priced at $279. It was $329. Now with the framing nailer and roofing nailer, the 21-degree one is supposedly going to be only good until May 27th, so you can pick that up and save $50. And then the same thing goes with the roofing nailer. You have until the 27th. And if you happen to be in the market for the cordless duplex nailer by Milwaukee, they do have a good clearance deal on it for only $300. It was $599, but clearance deals do vary from store to store. So but I wanted to give you a heads up in case you happen to need one and maybe check your store. All right, that's going to be it for the deal video at Home Depot for Memorial Day time. If you gain any value from this video, I really appreciate you would give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more tool deal videos like this. I really appreciate you watching, and I'll see you next time. Thanks so much.